Gadget Girl here on day 98. I have met up with wood thrush and we were going to hike together today. It's going to be a good day. We are crossing Skyline Drive here close to Matthews Arm, which is closed, and close to Rattlesnake Point Overview, which is also closed for some construction. Looks like they're replacing the brick wall. I noticed as I drove by earlier it had deteriorated. Got a view up here after we climbed out of Skyline Drive. A windy one, but it's a view. Here, 2.1 miles into today's hike, there's a nice campsite. You can get probably at least 2 tents, 3 maybe, good sized ones too. And here's another one right across from it. And it's also adjacent to that nice, interesting rock pile, so probably provides some good shelter from wind. Hey, I am at the intersection of Tuscarora Overall Run Trail and the Appalachian Trail. And we're going to continue on up the Appalachian Trail. And by the way, wood thrush is a YouTube name, and wood thrush's actual trail name is Bird Nerd. So she will be Bird Nerd from hence on. Another beautiful fern forest today. And Bird Nerd agrees with me, the smell is amazing. We wish you could smell it too. I'm so enjoying having her with me today. It's really cool rocks here with ferns growing up between them. So pretty. Bit of a view here, and it's starting to rain. Time for rain jacket. We have our wildlife sighting for this morning. Well, it might be afternoon by now. She looks a lot less vicious than that bobcat the other day. But she is keeping an eye on us. All right, we'll let you be. Beautiful view up here. We ran into a spot of rain, but that's cleared off now. Hopefully stays away the rest of the day. And this view is right beside of these beautiful flowers. Even a better view at this rocky outcropping, just a few yards up the trail. Such a pretty day. Another crossing of Skyline Drive. We are crossing here at Gravel Springs Gap. Right here, the AT merges with the Browntown Trail for at least a distance. Beautiful view here. Right by that view is a great campsite too. This is about 7 miles or so into today's hike. Crossing Skyline Drive one more time here. We're at the Mount Marshall trailhead where it meets the Appalachian Trail, and there's a parking area here. Another beautiful mountaintop view today. Feeling really blessed. Nice tent site here. small one by that view. If you had to, you could squeeze probably a second one back there in the back, maybe. Small tent. Beautiful trail is turned a little rocky, but it's still a nice day to be hiking. This tree looks like it's laughing at us. Some interesting wall out here along the trail. Not sure what this has been from, but it's been some sort of structural wall. Very strange caterpillar. Little red dots on his body, yellow on his face, big black eyes, silver fur. He's an odd one. All right, I have it from an authority here. This is the eastern towhee. That's the male. There's the female. Right there. Very cool. Really nice campsite here, 1.1 miles from Compton Gap. Huge. Well, Rosie found her a nice tree. She said she could probably live down in that hollow tree. Rosie and Bird Nerd are happy to meet each other.